Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Snehal Vikas Doke. I am from Gadchandur. After attending 5 days 10x growth program of Dr. Priyanka Bandge ma'am and Kiran sir, there is a huge amount of difference in my clinical practices. They taught us everything, each and every ifs and buts of physiotherapy, right from the consultation and rehabilitation to the home program. Everything they taught us in a proper manner, how to consult a patient and how to convince them to take complete 1 month program and what is beneficial for the patient as well as in growth of a physiotherapist. So I highly recommend all my physio friends to attend this session. And now here is a good news. Dr. Priyanka ma'am and Kiran sir are arranging their live session at Nagpur only, and for the first time they are here at Nagpur and they are giving a live session. So I request all my physio friends to attend this program and get benefit from it as I do. So please, I request all of you to attend the live session and learn so many things from ma'am and sir, because they are ocean of knowledge, and we are very blessed to have them in our physiotherapy community. Thank you so much.